So another nice feature of getting data about features, especially with regards to sheet metal parts, is to get the summary of the flat data for a particular component. So as you can see here, we have quite a few profiles in this particular model, and we're going to use the get flat sum table feature option here. By default, it's going to take the active model. We can, of course, set a scaling factor if we want to convert the values that this is producing to scale it for some reason. And then we could just write out my table is going to be where we write it to. So I'm going to take the active model as is right now and just run it. And it's going to produce a table reporting basically a nice summary of the number of profiles that are in this part. So we count the outside as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is correct, and the total length of those, as well as the scaling factor for what's in this. So it's a really nice way to just quickly get an idea of like how many operations are going to be performed on this and what's the total length of travel going to be required for let's say a laser or a plasma cutter. So I'm going to rerun this, but in this case, I'm going to be opening up 3 different models, and we're going to summarize these. So in this case, I want anything that is a family table instance that's in session. I've got 3 of them I'm loading. And when we run this, it's going to open each of these models, and then it's going to run that report for me. So when we look at the final result here, it gives us a nice tight report that says, okay, this particular component, each of these components has each of these profiles and also the total lengths there. And of course, we could have, scale those if we wanted to different values.